Hello, today we are going to look at how to create a post API call in Craftar using API connector. So first, we'll just create a very simple API. We'll call it gender detection. And I'll click on create. So this API, let's say, takes in a name of a person and then outputs a gender. So we'll just type the value as name, the data type as text, and we'll just use a very simple sample name, Kate Moss. And now I can look for a block called gender detection. So I'll bring this block in, I'll connect my start to enter, and then my exit of this block to end. So it indicates the order in which the blocks will flow. The name is the data in inputs, which will go to name in gender detection. And now I need an output. I'll call this gender, data type would be text, and I'll connect gender to my gender in my outputs. Awesome. So now our logic is working. I can just click on play, and now gender detection runs. It predicts the gender as female and sends it to output. Great. So now I have my API, and I can click on publish. So every API in Craftar has both a get endpoint and a post endpoint. So we can see we have some post request parameters over here. So we have the method, the headers, the body, and the URL. So now let's just call Craftar's API using the API connector. So I'll just open a new tab and a new instance of Craftar. So I go here, I'll click on create a new API. We'll call it Craftar API connector post. Okay, so I click on create. So now we'll try to call our API that we made. I'll go to network, go to REST API, API connector, and now if we go to our API gender detection, we can see that the method is post. So I'll come in here and choose the method as post. I need the URL, so I'll copy the URL here and paste the URL in my inputs. Next thing I need is headers. So I have authorization and the value is bearer key. So we need to copy our API key, and then I'll go to Craftar and I'll click on headers, and then here we'll type authorization. The type is text and the value is bearer, and then our token. Okay. The next header we need is content type. So I'll just copy content type. I'll click new item here, select content type, and then value is application/JSON. Great. So my headers are set up. We can see them here. Right. Now we need some data. So in our case, since it's a post call, we need to pass it to data. The value is name. So I'll come in and go to data. I'll click plus. The key would be name, and the value can be anything. So this time we'll give Todd Sparks. Okay. So now our API is set up. So what we can do, we'll pass start to API connector enter and exit to end, and I'll create an output response. This will be of type any, and I'll connect my response to my output. Awesome. Now I can click on play. So this is going to hit the API we made in Craftar, and our response should be gender male, right? Awesome. So this is how you do a post API call in Craftar using the API connector. Thank you so much for watching.